Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to insert image in Power BI. So for this, we'll go on the canvas of Power BI, click on Insert, and click on the image. Now, let's insert this image. So the image has been inserted. Now go in General, go in Effects, select the background color. So this is how you can insert the image in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share the videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.